Whose birthday is it?
Jesus.
Yeah, so what did you do?
Bake a cake.
Yes. What are you going to do now?
Eat it. No, we're going to sing to him.
Why?
Because it's his birthday.
Yep. Okay. Lights pop off. Here we go. Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Jesus. The great happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. Is that it, Vienna?
Good job.
Good job. Yay.
It was dripping yellow.
Okay.
And it was dripping green. It was
Alright.
dripping red too. And the best part of the cake is this.
Say happy birthday, Jesus.
Happy birthday, Jesus.
We love you.
Merry Christmas.
Or what do you want to say?
Merry Christmas.